Hi, my name is Nikola Galladay.
And I'm Lindsey Galladay.
We were looking around to get our house painted because the color was terrible. It was time to change and upgrade our house. So we did a little looking around, and one night Lindsey looked online. He saw on Facebook, he saw Home Shield Coating. So we looked at all their reviews, and then we called to get an appointment for them to come to the house and give us a quote on painting. Mike came and talked to us. He walked the house and walked around everywhere and told us what's going on, some cracks there, what he could fix those, and everything like that. Once he got done with that, we sat down and he told us everything that we needed. He told us the price. We even went online. The easy part was getting financing. That was easy. And then once we did that, then everything started to change with a new look on our house.
Right. One of the things that I like about the actual construction of the house itself is the detail that the painters did with the house itself. They really paid attention to details as far as pulling the mulch back, and they also gave some suggestions as far as what they would paint the gutters and things like that. So the painters were really helpful, and I like the detail of the paint itself. They came here on time. They didn't bother us with anything like that. They showed up. They cleaned up after themselves, and everything went pretty smooth. And I like that process that they did.
We even walked around with them once they got done, and if we saw anything, they were right behind us with a paintbrush and everything like that. And they didn't act like we were bothering them because they know this is our house and we want it to look really good. And they were perfectionists as well, so they were walking behind us and put a blue tape here or do that. So the whole process was good, and in turn we got a beautiful house. It looks bigger. We get compliments from our neighbors, and we on the hill, so as soon as you come up you see us. So they did an awesome job, and we just love our new color, and it's like a brand new house to us.
Right. And I would definitely recommend this company for doing your home. They did an excellent job, and we love it.